Tito34. I think we're bringing another bit unboxing. It's the Batman vs Superman Dawn of the Justice Ultimate Edition 4K that just came out last month actually. Yeah, it's been out for a month. This is not the Justice League that's being the Snyder cut. This is not that anyways. But it's another pre-edition which is not seen at the theatrical version of the movie. Yeah. So I want to order this, which came home today actually. I get in the mail. Right, so this is the special features, bonus features, commentary with director Zack Snyder. Okay, so let's open this. Digital copy. For Blu-ray. Does not come with a Blu-ray and 4K. It's only 4K actually. Pretty cool. Batman and Superman logo there. So there you have it. The Batman and vs Superman Dawn of Justice Ultimate Edition 4K. Thanks for watching this unboxing. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want to give me any commentary, what do you like about this film, let me know. Just write down your comments. Have a great day.